This is Ravi, and today we are going to see how to install Oracle 11G database on Windows 7. In my previous video, we have seen that how we can download Oracle 11G database from oracle.com. So now, since we have the file downloaded already, we can go ahead and start installing them. So after the download, you will have these two files with you. So what you have to do, you just have to extract these files into a folder. For this, I have used a software called as IZR. It's a really cool and very fast software which extracts all the file in a folder. So after doing that, I have these two folders in place. Now, what we have to do, we have to get the file from the second folder and place it into the folder 1. Just copy these files, go back to the same place, database, then stage, then components, and then paste it in here. Once that is completed, just double click on this setup and you will be able to see this screen. Just click on yes. In order to install Oracle in your computer, you need minimum of 1 GB RAM and at least 5 to 6 GB of hard disk free. Once the screen come up, you can see the installation options. However, in the very first you will be asked to enter your email ID in case if you are an Oracle customer. But since you're not, you can really click on uncheck this box because you're just doing it for yourself. So just go to next. Yes, you can just very well say you wish to remain uninformed. Yep. Then you can say you have to say create and configure database. Since we are just installing the on the desktop, we have to select the desktop class database. Click on next, then it will ask you which database you want to install. So there are standard and standard 1 and personal edition, but I definitely recommend for enterprise edition. Once you have the enterprise edition, it will give by default a name to a database, which is ORCL in this case. And for the administrative password, I'm using Oracle. It's gonna be same for both. Just click on next. It does states that it doesn't confirm the recommendation standards from the Oracle for the database password that we have given. We can very well say continue. Now it's going to check for the prerequisite whether you have enough memory, swap size, and hard disk. Once that is done, you click on finish. Then it will start installing the database. It will take somewhere around 5 to 6 minutes. Now as you can see, the Oracle database is installed, and now it is starting the Oracle database configuration assistant, and I think the services are already being started. Now at this moment it is copying the database files, creating the database files, and creating an Oracle instance which will be named as ORCL. So as you can see in this message, it's saying creating and starting Oracle instance. So what it does, it will create the database and then it will start the database. Once we'll have this video complete, I'll show you how exactly we can start and stop a database. Okay, so once this is done, there will be a Windows, the database configuration assistant will pop up and it will ask for the password management. So if you see in here, right, the new password and the old password and the logged account. So I think all of the accounts are logged. I mean, pretty much everyone other than sys and system. So what we can do, we can uncheck this account and uncheck OE account as well. And for the password, I think we can do anything with that later on. Once these things are done, we can go ahead and click on OK. So what we have done in here, we have unlocked the account. Otherwise, we had to manually unlock them. Okay, let's do one thing. For HR, we will unlock it, and for OE, will not unlock it. We'll keep it, just lock it. And then I'll show you how to do it manually. So click on OK. Now click on OK again. And it said that your database configuration file have been saved. Just close this part. Now you have your Oracle database up and running right now. You can go to Oracle, go in application development and go to SQL Plus. SQL Plus is one second, let me zoom in so that you can see it. Sorry, and this is better, right? So now I'm going to write down as username as system and the password is Oracle. I'm connected. So if I really have to see which user I have logged in from, I can say show user, then it says system. Now if I want to see which database version is this, I can say select star from v dollar version. It says it's 11G release to 64-bit, PLSQL version, the TNS version, and NSRTL version, and the core database version. We can shut down the database if we really want to. So we can say shut down immediate. Now after executing this command, okay, so right now I don't have enough privilege, so that means I have to connect using the sys user. So I have to say connect sys slash Oracle. Okay, yes, I have to say connect sys as sysdba and now enter the password. Now I'm connected. Now I can say shut immediate. That is nothing but the short form of shutdown immediate. And you will see some messages coming up. So it says database closed, database dismounted, and Oracle instance shut down. Now if we really have to go and start it back, we have to say startup. So it says Oracle instance is started. So you can see it very clearly how you can really start up and um, close the database. So if I may show you how exactly it really helps in saving the memory. If you can see in performance, right, you can see the memory the system is using right now is 1.26 GB. If I'm saying shut immediate, just go back in here and just keep watching what is happening to the memory. As you can see, nearly 250 MB of RAM is freed up, as you can see. And the moment I'll say, let me keep it here. Yeah, startup. Let's look at the memory in here, starting rising up. So as you can see in clearly, Oracle does take a lot of memory, and when you are really in need of memory for some of your other application, and you might feeling like that your desktop or laptop is getting slow because of Oracle, though you're not using it very often, you can really go and stop the database using start immediate, and really when you want to start it up, you can just go start up. So this is how you can install Oracle Database 11G R2 on your Windows 7, and I will keep on making few more videos about SQL and in depth about SQL, that how exactly SQL works and how it executes inside the database. So you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day.